The Cape Hatteras Lighthouse with the sun right behind it. Ain't that neat looking? That's a beautiful lighthouse right there. Visitor center here and all, which I'm not really going to visit, but the lighthouse looks really, really cool. Cape Hatteras Lighthouse. Ain't that really neat? They're doing some restoration, so you can't climb it right now. I really like that lighthouse. It's cool. Supposed to be one of the tallest in America, if not the tallest, I think. Cape Hatteras Lighthouse. What a beauty. It's awesome. Betsy at the base of Cape Hatteras Lighthouse. What a beauty. Cool looking.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that is just awesome. It looks like it needs some help on the outside though a little bit, huh? Paint's peeled off, bricks are showing a little bit. It is majestic. Flashes once every 20 seconds. Cape Hatteras Lighthouse, tallest in America.